Planet Earth. 7.7 billion people living here, and the number is growing. What can we do as the natural resources are limited? The key is turning waste into resources through recycling, which leads to reducing consumption of resources, environmental protection, and human health. GreenWEEE International, the biggest integrated treatment plant of Romania for electric and electronic equipment waste, and one of the most modern in Europe, has a waste treatment capacity of 50,000 tonnes per year. The €11 million investment is retrieved in the complete services provided: collection, treatment and recycling for all the 10 categories of equipment stipulated by legislation. The technological line for large household appliances treats large refrigerators, fridges, freezers or air conditioning appliances. The first step is extracting the mineral oil and the refrigerant agents from the devices. The appliances are further shredded in a special room, fully insulated and with a controlled atmosphere. The resulted fractions are then carried by conveyor belts to the storage containers for the end products: plastic, aluminium, iron and polyurethane foam. With trained staff and modern technology, through a proper treatment, GreenWEEE International recovers the reusable materials and eliminates the hazardous substances they contain. Small and large appliances are treated on a dedicated technological line. Coffee machines, toasters, vacuum cleaners and washing machines are converted into plastic fractions, ferrous and non-ferrous metals, glass, cables and PCB. The waste receives a new life. A special designed line is processing the IT, telecommunication and consumer equipment. Due to their content of hazardous substances, the TVs and monitors with CRT tubes are manually disassembled in maximum security conditions. The front panel is separated from the funnel by special operation so that the glass is not damaged. Afterwards, the fluorescent powder that contains hazardous substances is vacuumed. We obtain the following types of fractions: contaminated and uncontaminated glass, ferrous, non-ferrous and fluorescent powder. Cables are also recycled. They are pre-sorted in order to remove any visible plastic materials and impurities, then shredded, and the ferrous metal parts are removed by magnetic separation. Fractions results fall into 3 categories: copper, aluminium and plastic PVC PE. A sorting and recycling line for portable batteries and accumulators is also functioning in GreenWEEE International. The sorting capacity of the technological line is 1 tonne per hour. The manual sorting is done on a conveyor belt, ensuring the removal of impurities, followed by a mechanical sieving to recover button cells. The portable batteries and accumulators are crushed in a grinder so that the ferrous pieces can be extracted by using a magnetic drum. GreenWEEE International turns waste into resources. Having an Integrated Management System certification and OSAS environment certification in accordance with ISO standards, the company attests safe recycling in terms of environmental protection and data security. In 2012 in Brussels, during the WEEE testimonials event, GreenWEEE International was the first plant in Europe awarded with the first recognition of recycling standard certificate, becoming the first operator in Europe to be certified under the pilot WEEE trial audit.